Hello guys, to begin with our roadmap, we are going to take a look at HTML and CSS. Now HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is the layout or the building blocks for every single website. Think about it this way, like the foundation for a building. And CSS or Cascading Style Sheets gives the website its style and how it looks very much better. To begin, one thing we are going to need is a code editor where we are going to program our HTML and CSS to create our first ever website. Let's get into it. So I'm going to type hello world in an H1 tag. In a P tag, I'm going to say welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so this is just HTML. So we have HTML body having this one here, and we have the outcome to look like this. So we have hello world and we have welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's check how CSS works. So we are going to call the H1 tag, and we are going to give it a color, font size, and we can give it a margin bottom. So let me do the font size of 30, and then we are going to do a color of blue. And with the color, you can adjust the gradients by adjusting or making a selection on hover on the color. And I'm going to give it a margin bottom of 3 pixels. Now we can call the P tag, and we can give it a font size just as we did for the H1. And I'm going to give it 15 pixels, a color of black, and that's it. Now let's take a look at the outcome. So you can see we have a blue color for the hello world, and you can see the P tag pop down a bit. We can also add elements like images, just as you see in many websites. So to do that, we are going to add the image tag, which is the img, and it has a title called the auth. We can say logo, we can say profile picture, we can say profile. Source is an attribute that takes the actual image URL. I'm going to pick this image from my portfolio, just as you can see. So this picture here, I'm going to right click on it, then I'm going to select copy image address, and I'll come right back here, then I'm going to paste that there. So after doing this and making some few adjustments, we can now have our image on our website. So I'm going to call the image and give it a width of 200 pixels. After doing this, if you should check the outcome of what you have on the browser, you can see you have the image right below the welcome to my YouTube channel, and it looks just as how you want it because you gave it a width of 200 pixels.